Hey guys, Golden Puss here, and today we are going to do something extraordinary. I'm gonna create my den. Last night I was trying to make it pretty, but it didn't work. These two lovely couples will never be married. I have to do a church. Don't worry, you will get married soon. You will get married. Even Toys R Us says you're getting married, right? I'm Toys R Us. That's how I want to marry yourself. See, even Toys R Us says you have to make a church. Pet Chicken says, yes, it's 12. Pet Chickens are so angry. It's the best man or female. The food would be here. I said everything makes the den spotless. My new den. I'm going to take a request from Animal Jam. Animal Jam, please make something else. A small house? Let's review it. Oh wait, there's nothing. Why do always members have so much nice stuff? Can just, members, non-members have like one thing? Animal Jam! If you're hearing me, AJHQ, please, and I mean, please make something good for in non-members. It's hard. Could you just make something nice for once? Like, let's say, this Sky Kingdom for non-members. That'd be perfect. But members have them. Look, so nice, so much nicer. But you never. Look how much nice space it is. Compared to mine, then it's just like these two tools. What is the heck with you? Animal Jam, please, for once, just make a good den for non-members. Please. This angry face does not lie. Well, come on. What am I waiting for? I'm so angry. Calm down. Calm down. I am now calmed down. But seriously, this is a quick video. Come on, AJ. Please make something good for members. It's not fair. And then otherwise, make non-members have great items. Look at members. They have those laughing things, and we do nothing. Animation affects 100 buddies. You can choose a sticker or badge. That's not fair. Look. I'm angry with you. I am so angry. I am angry. Look at this raging. Well, that's it, guys. Please make sure to subscribe if you want to see more crazy videos like this. I know it's a little bit of a short video, but yeah. We'll see you later, guys. If you get this video to 10 likes, I will do a gameplay. Not gameplay, something random, like always. Please make it all 5 or 10. Just make it the highest. See you later, guys. Bye.